Hey guys, I'm Aishwarya Singh and you're watching me on Being Logical.
I have a Spanish thing, so I have 3 people on my to fuck list.
You're having sex. Okay, you're thinking about somebody else. तो ये तो नहीं सोच रहे होगे ना यार वो खाना कितना अच्छा बनाती है. Having sex with somebody, have you ever thought of somebody else?
Many times.
Seriously?
No, I give the full attention to that girl.
I have thought
have?
about it, yeah.
So-
I'm a virgin, I'm really sorry.
I am sorry.
Actually, it's the same year.
We are with the wrong people.
I personally do have thoughts of like my past, but personally I believe that's not correct. That's not ethically true to your current partner you are having a sex or some spending time with.
Actually, I would like to say I haven't lose my virginity yet, and I have never ever been in relationship. So like sex is a still far cry, I must say, for me.
Thinking about because it was my first love and I loved her more. So I was thinking all the time about her.
Do you think if somebody does that, like somebody is having sex or making love with somebody, the partner, and he's thinking about somebody else, is it wrong? Is it cheating?
I don't know what it's called.
Mentally cheating? Oh, this is mentally cheating. Like you're having sex with your partner and you're thinking about something else. Your ex?
Yeah.
Okay, your ex. Okay.
It is a cheating. If you feel something for some other guy, so you should go with that guy, na?
No, in fact, it's it's human being. We are human being. It's emotional. We are just sort of.
This is so emotional that you are with somebody in bed and you're thinking about somebody else.
It's not like that. I mean, everyone has their own past and everything like that. And I mean, if you don't have a past, then you have not lived your life. And if you are, remembering that past, for good or for bad, I mean, it's just human nature.
This particular moment with the memory of past.
I wouldn't say it's cheating, but I can tell you that it depends how much you love that guy and what happened with your relationship.
If it's George Clooney, I don't think so.
You're thinking about your ex.
No, that's cheating.
That's cheating.
Yeah.
I mean, depends on what sense you are thinking, maybe.
It's not cheating. I feel it's the most truth feeling. Like when you get it, it's like. It is the one whom you actually love. Like when you do such kind of things. When
So
you
it's natural.
Yeah, it's natural. It's not natural. It's saying I feel like somewhere it's natural, but it's the most truth feeling. I must say, they're like very true feelings. Like at that particular moment when you're like having sex with somebody, and when you feel like that particular person, it means that he and she, whatever, like whosoever is that, he or she is in there in your mind. Like you aspire that particular person and that particular person much more.
Okay.
Not cheating. I will say it's not cheating.
It's not cheating, it is cheating. So
Not cheating until unless he or she is involved with him doing some stuff or hanging out with him. Not just hanging out or doing some crazy stuff, you can say that.
how it happens, like you're comparing your current with your ex?
It's not the comparison coming out. It's just like a virtual. It's an immediate thoughts in your mind that all of a sudden that the person the flash came on the front. But I believe that is not correct. You should be true with the person you are spending time, be it in bed or anywhere else, even in dining or wherever.
Okay.
I personally believe that you cannot, forget your past. I mean, it's all.
It is only true.
I mean, all women say that they have forgotten their past, but it's not actually true. They just cannot ignore the memories and, whatever kind of love they had. They just cannot do that.
That's so sweet and that's so cute, but not while you're having sex. A celebrity crush. Would you like to get indulged with any celebrity?
Anushka Sharma.
Anushka Sharma.
Yeah.
He wants to have sex with Anushka Sharma.
If I get opportunity, of course, why not?
No one.
No one.
No, not.
Anybody else? Any other hotshot guy or anybody else? Like almost a celebrity or whatsoever, cool star or something you would like to get indulged with? Somebody in your eyes you're not with, but you would like, I want him in bed.
No one.
Nobody right now. Nobody.
कोई feeling ही नहीं आई.
यार हाई फाई दे दो यार, कोई फीलिंग ही नहीं आती यार. हम इतने ज़्यादा सिंगल रह रहे कि हम
आपकी साइड पूरी.
That's good. Yeah, have a nice day, but
सिंगल रहती नहीं हूँ बट स्टिल या
पैदाइशी सिंगल
ये तो फॉरएवर सिंगल है
नहीं मेरा भी ऑन ऑफ रहता है, बट यार राइट नाउ आई एम लाइक सच अ लोनर कि अब तो फीलिंग ही नहीं आती यार। अच्छा लड़का पसंद आ रहा है, छोड़ो।
फीलिंग्स आ जाती है यार वो वाली टाइप्स नहीं नॉर्मल फीलिंग
बट हाँ लड़का अच्छा लग रहा है, लड़का अच्छा लग रहा है। रोज कोई ना कोई मिल जाता है।
दिख जाएगा तो यार आरुषि हॉट लग रहा है यार हॉट लग
हॉट लग रहा है, थोड़ा पीछा करते हैं। ओह गर्लफ्रेंड है। Sad यार, he was almost in the bed. Shit.
Kareena Kapoor.
Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay.
I think Varun Dhawan is right.
Varun Dhawan is
Yeah.
hot.
Yeah,
I
for me.
agree.
No, never.
Nah, nobody.
No.
Actually no
Person who's not in our reach, so what to have a crush about it?
Arey, but still, you're like fantasizing about the
It's
person.
about myself only. I love myself.
Okay.
having sex with yourself
Well, that's called being independent, right?
is it what you call it being independent
Self-proclaimed.
यार एक वो होता है ना अपने दिल को तसल्ली देना. That's what I'm doing. यार I'm single as well.
Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone, I like her too, but I am straight. That's sad. So while getting indulged with somebody, what is more important, satisfying the person or satisfying yourself?
For me, more important is to satisfy the other person than yourself.
That's so sweet of you, by the way.
For me, it is partner.
It's for the partner.
Yeah, satisfying a person.
Satisfying the person. Who guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then hit like, comment, share the video and subscribe to Being Logical.